Replacing the air filter on a third-generation Honda CR-V. In this case, the filter is removed for inspection, as the car has covered 5,000 kilometers and needs to be checked for condition. However, the procedure for replacing the filter is the same. First, remove the clamp. We loosen and remove the corrugated pipe of the starting manifold. Remove these 3 fasteners from their seats. 1. Press on it a little and pull ourselves. 2/3 are on the right side, then lift the top cover. Here we have enough wiring to lift, the space is freed up. Then we lift the filter and pull ourselves. Here is the condition of the filter. This is its internal part. The car has traveled 500 kilometers. It was used both in urban conditions and off-road, as well as meadows, fields. The condition is still more or less adequate. That is, it should roll out its 500 more, but since this is an inspection, all this will now be cleaned with a compressor and installed back. We install the filter in place. In my case it is cleaned, in your case there is a replacement. Everything is the same ones. The procedure. Take the filter, place it inside its seat. So it's seated, lower the cover, holding the corrugated pipe. So it's also seated, and close the 3. There's a small rubber guide in the corrugated pipe, and there's a groove here. This is our groove, into which the corrugated pipe should be seated. Be sure to check that it's fully seated and compressed. Then tighten the clamp. The replacement is complete. It takes about 5 minutes of leisurely work, no matter who. The information is useful and interesting. Like and subscribe. There's much more to come.